dark slow spookliness. As for me, I am your dark wilderness. Oh, well, queen, actually. Anyways, let's do an unboxing video, just so you know. I got a little package that is from the ST that I got, and we're going to unbox this. So here we go. I got excited. Oh, zubba, zubba. Where is my pocket knife? Need that. Okay. Definitely want to be careful. Esme! Seriously? Down. I mean, shut up, down. Go. Not right now, dear. Now we're getting there. We're getting there. We're gonna just do this. Ooh. Esme, down! Down! Get down! Esme! Sorry, y'all. Cat's all over me. Okay. This wrapping paper. Oh, they got me some good stuff. glowinthedarkyourself.com. Esme! Get, seriously? Well, here it is. Esme, get down. Sorry. You try to stay down. Okay. Catholic Army, y'all. Just so you know. Now we're getting there. Nasty pornos. Ooh, I can feel it. Has a little pouch to it. Oh my. Look at it. Look at it. It's a fucking rosary batch. Has like the Baphomet on it. Sigil. As you can see. And the bottom part. Baphomet. Baphomet. See that? That's awesome. I adore it. I adore it. I mean, I love this fucking rosary. You can actually wear it. Ta-ta. It's already around my neck. I love the Baphomet though. That's fucking cute. Look at that. See the front here? But look at the back. That's awesome. They did a really good job. Anywho, that's all for the video, and I hope you all see you on the next Dark Side video. And I hope you all enjoy this video, and I'll see you all next time. Hail Baphomet, y'all.